So good morning here from Gol, Norway. I'm here, it's a lot of snow, it's a new day, and I'm going to take the car down to the ice track, change over to the ice studs tires and do some test laps before I'm going to take ride-alongs with all the customers. So this is going to be fun. Ooh, it's cold. So I'm here down at the ice track, and this track is huge. I have never been here before, and it looks like it is a lot of tracks here. Wow, beautiful. I'm gonna unload the car and put on the ice studs, ready to go. So I'm here with that really interesting guy. Who are you?
I'm Joel. Hello everyone.
What's your job in Toyota?
Yeah, I work for Toyota Motor Europe, and I'm responsible for all technical campaigns basically.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes. Yeah. It's a very interesting job, and sometimes it's tough, but yeah, we take care of the safety of the customers, and also they feel comfort.
Yeah.
Peace of mind. Yeah.
So now I'm going to take him for a ride in the Supra. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, very much so.
Have you been in a car like ice types before?
Never in my life.
Oh,
Never.
yeah.
So this will be the first opportunity. I'm really looking forward.
I think you're going to like it.
Yeah. I'm sure of that. Unbelievable. I want to see how you do it outside also.
Okay.
Unbelievable. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sorry. Thank you very much. I will watch you if you do another lap.
So how was it to be on the ice track?
Big fun.
Was that?
Big fun. Yeah. I feel a little bit dizzy, but it's alright. I need to go back to Belgium.
Okay.
Thanks a lot indeed. I really enjoyed.
Thank you.
Very much. Thank you.
So we have done some testing with ice tires, and we needed to change over to lappy tires because we destroyed the track. But that's okay. Never try lappy tires, so that's going to be fun. And we also had to fix exhaust because the loud is too high. But now we are going to take the brand new ProAce 4x4 and drive down to downtown and fill up some fuel for the car. It's cold.
Det blir ikke bilsjuka.
Jeg vet ikke, sikkert nå blir det. Nå blir det sikkert det. this day is over. We had an amazing day on the ice track. The people from Toyota was super happy with the ride, so then I'm happy. Now it's time for some dinner, and I have found my room, so here I'm gonna sleep tonight. So I'm gonna end today's vlog right here. So see you guys next time. Goodbye.